What's up? Welcome to the workshop. This just came in the mail and I'm going to show you what's inside and tell you why I think if you don't have any backyard ninja equipment for your kids yet, this is going to be a great place to start to kind of dip your toes in the water and see what it's all about. So stay tuned. But real quick, if you're new here, I'm Jeff and this is Fun Sized Adventures, which is all about finding ways to get you and your family out on little adventures in your own backyard and beyond. So this kit is from Ninjasafe. It's a zipline plus swing set kit. And this is gonna be a great place to start because there's a lot of versatility built into it. Also, the price point is pretty low. It's currently $80 on Amazon, which is a lot cheaper than a lot of the Ninja lines out there, as well as zip lines. And this just gives you a lot of different things to do. So let's just open the box, show you what's inside. All right, what do we got here? Thank you for choosing our product. Enjoy your bonus monkey bar. When you order it, this is not even listed on the description, and I'll show you what you can do with that in a minute. We got this box. This has a little pulley in it, which looks like it's basically made out of almost like skateboard bearings on this thing. This is gonna be what enables you to turn your slack line into a zip line. And this is the main part of your slack line. It's 70 feet long. This is the other end with the ratchet on it. You attach this end to one tree, this end to another. We've got these two straps, which these go with this. Whoa, this is obviously a swing. This is going to be what you can zip line on. You attach this to this, and this to this, and then this is attached to a couple trees that you must provide yourself. So hopefully you have trees. Turns it into a zip line that you can sit on, you can hold on to like a swing. It's nice and safe. If you've been watching for any length of time, you know that we love zip lines. We have a regular metal cable one in the backyard. But this one is going to be a little bit slower, but that's going to make it safer for younger kids. And this is going to be a great way for those little kids who might not be ready for like a full-fledged zip line to get started in it. And then what else do we got? We got a couple tree protectors for either end of the slack line. Carrying bag, so you can pack everything up, take it with you. Take your ninja course on the move. And then we've got a couple little buckles, which I think those go in between here and here. So you can do that. You can set it up like I just described as a zip line. You could also take it apart, take these, attach the swing to these, and these are straps you could throw up over a tree branch, then attach this to this. And this is going to allow you to set this up as just a swing. And then you can take the rest of the kit here, which is your slack line, you could set this up low to the ground, like maybe like that high up off the ground between a couple trees, and then you have a slack line to practice doing that. So with this kit for $80, you're not only getting a zip line that's great for your younger kids, but you also have the option to turn it into a regular swing, and then separately set up a little slack line to practice your balance with. There's a lot of different things you can do with this kit. And then that brings us to this, the bonus monkey bar. Say you want to set this, you want to take your straps like this and your swing, set it up as a swing, but then you still want a zip line. You can set your zip line up like it was, but then you can attach this instead. And now you've also got something you can hang from, start building that upper body strength. Kind of start training the kids to hang by their arms so that they can be ready for a full-fledged ninja obstacle course someday. So I think that at $80, this kit is a tremendous value because you think of I think the Ninjasafe brand, like full ninja course, like with the monkey bars and everything, is about in the $150 range. So this at $80 is only about half of that. But for that price, you get a zip line, you can also set it up as a slack line, you have a swing, you have two different options with the zip line where you can hook it up with a monkey bar. There's so much that you get for this kit at a relatively low price point when it comes to these sort of things. I think that if you don't have anything yet, this is where you want to start. I can't wait to set this up in the yard, fully test it out. If you want to see that video where we review it and set it up and all that, that video will be right up here. See you in that video. Until next time, get out there, build a ninja course in your backyard, and have a fun-sized adventure of your own. And if you're suddenly like invited to like some formal gathering, tree protector can double as a cummerbund.